This time on building terminology, soffit lining. So soffit or soffit lining, also referred to as eaves lining, is the material that is placed on the underside of any horizontal or sloping surface, such as the projecting eaves or the projecting verge of a roof. Most commonly we use compressed fibro, 4.5mm compressed fibro sheeting, although I have seen on some commercial buildings they do use like a powder coated pressed metal, which would give them less maintenance requirements over the life of the building.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.